Check out this Kia 2019 Sportage EX. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: 181 horsepower, 2.4L-liter inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine with variable valve timing, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission and Bluetooth. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.